My name is Kandese. I am from Maryland, United States. I found Arkana through an influencer online, but I think I've been looking for Arkana my entire life. I know that now after this week. This has been an indescribable experience. I still can't believe that I'm here, but I feel like my body knows what I've been through and is telling me, believe it, you've been here. This whole week, mind, body, spirit, Arkana gave me everything and more. The medicine here really helps you get to know your mind and be comfortable with it. I watched my mind attack myself. I watched my mind slip away. And then I came back to my body. And from the Sapo experience to even the meditation and the music, everything just healed my soul. I can't even believe that I'm saying that, but I'm really excited to go home to my family, to my 2 little boys. They're so patient to have let me go today, and their dad is so loving to not quite know exactly where I am, but trust. He trusted me before I could even trust myself. So thank you, Arkana, for giving me the wisdom and foresight and just confidence to believe in myself and to smile more. I feel lighter, and I just can't wait to tell everyone, or rather to show them. So,
one question: if someone was thinking of coming to do ayahuasca, but they were a bit hesitant, what would an piece of advice you can give them?
I was hesitant too. I was hesitant when I booked it. I was hesitant when I got to the meetup spot. I was hesitant when I arrived. I was hesitant when Crystal, the facilitator, came and got me to dance. I was hesitant the first meal, and I was hesitant the first ceremony. And after that, there was no more hesitation. So trust yourself. This is a good decision for you. Even the bad will show you the light, and that's something you can keep with you forever. I really feel like this is long-lasting healing. So use your hesitation to drive you forward, so that you can receive all the love that this place has to offer.